Mathematics 2. Multiplication is repeated addition. Objective. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to illustrate multiplication as repeated addition. Multiplication is a repeated addition. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. Or in multiplication sentence it is 5 times 2 equals 10. Multiplication means putting things together in an equal number of groups. The numbers to be multiplied are called factors. 2 and 5 are called factors. Product is the answer in the multiplication. 10 is called the product. X is the symbol for multiplication. Ronald prepared 4 fish bowls for science fair. He placed 3 fish in each bowl. How many fish were there in the 4 bowls? How many groups were there? 4 groups. Next. How many fish were there in each group? 3 fish. Next. How many fish were there in all? 12 fish. We say 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. Or, 4 groups of 3 is 12. Or, 4 times 3 is 12. The multiplication sentence is 4 times 3 equals 12. There are 4 trays of eggs. Each tray has 5 eggs. How many eggs are there in all? How many groups are there? 4 groups. Next, how many eggs are there in each tray? 5 eggs. Next, how many eggs are there in all? 20 eggs. In addition sentence, it is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. And in multiplication sentence, it is 4 times 5 equals 20. There are 6 baskets of mangoes. Each basket has 7 mangoes. How many mangoes were there in all? How many groups are there? 6 groups. How many mangoes are there in each basket? 7 mangoes. How many mangoes are there in all? 42 mangoes. In addition sentence, it is 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 42. And in multiplication sentence, it is 6 times 7 equals 42. Let's have more examples. For the first example, by adding 4 plus 4 plus 4, we get 12. We're going to add up a batch of 4s. Let's put 4 here, and how many 4s are we going to add up? 3. Let's put 3 here. In multiplication sentence, it is 3 times 4, which is equal to 12. As our second example, we 5 plus 5, which is equal to 10. We're going to add up a batch of 5s. Let's put 5 here, and how many 5s are we going to add up? 2. Let's put 2 here. In multiplication sentence, it is 2 times 5 and we get 10. Third example is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which gives us 18. We're going to add up a batch of 3s. Let's put 3 here, and how many 3s are we going to add up? 6. Let's put 6 here. In multiplication sentence, it is 6 times 3, and we get the product of 18. 3 times 4 is equal to. One way to interpret this is to say that there are 3 groups of 4s. So, we could say that this is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 12. Just out of curiosity, what do you think is the answer to 4 times 3? One way to interpret this is to say that there are 4 groups of 3s. So, we could say that this is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is equal to 12. Pause the video and interpret this. Are you ready? 5 times 6 is equal to what number? One way to interpret this is to say that there are 5 groups of 6s. So, we could say that this is equal to 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, which is equal to 30. Next, 6 by 5 is equal to what number? One way to interpret this is to say that there are 6 groups of 5s. So, we could say that this is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is equal to 30. Always remember. Practice exercises. Try this. Number 1 is already done for you. Okay, time's up. Let's check your answers. Try this. Time's up.